Hello, my name is Bernard. I am the Car Finder, and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. Here we have a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette C5 50th anniversary with only 1,900 miles on it. Custom built, Lingenfelter. This thing is an absolute beast. It is a beautiful, very well done vehicle. No expense spared. We're going to do a cold start video here. Put my hand on the headers here. This car actually has not been turned on for probably a good 4 to 5 days. So it's a very, very cold start. This car would pass emissions in California. All the monitors are set. It does have catalytic converters, high flow cats, and it does have O2 sensors, but visually it will not pass because of the supercharger. So please, if you're in California, do not bid on this vehicle. I am taking it out today to go to the tune shop to get the dyno test to print out the dyno sheet for the horsepower. We're not tuning the vehicle. We're just gonna run it on the stock daily driving tune. One, because I don't know how to tune it, and two, this is actually a very well built vehicle where it can be used as a daily driver. It drives very nice down the highway, very smooth, and it drives like a normal Corvette. Only time you feel like it's not a normal Corvette is when you get on it and the supercharger kicks in. The story of this vehicle goes, and take it how you want to take it, but what I was told, John Lingenfelter built this car for himself, and the dealer who purchased this vehicle from the family's estate, who the original owner passed away, was an elderly gentleman, and he was good friends with John Lingenfelter, and John Lingenfelter built this car for himself, supposedly. Again, this is the story I was told, and his friend asked him to sell it to him, so he did. They were very close friends, and he passed away, and the selling dealer that I got it from purchased it directly from the original owner's family. On the go, I took the roll cage is bolt on, so I did remove the bar here to get in and out easily. Let's do a cold start here. Got all the close the door here. There we go. Turn the lights on here so you see everything's cold. Does have a adjustable tune here. That's the cold start video.